already eating, but Curl is just gonna eat more. I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it way too hard to think. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cachea and I'm back in with another video. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm back with another video, but it's a really exciting video because it's a hair video. I got sent over some clip-ins from Curlsqueen. We love some good clip-ins, okay? Yeah, they sent over some yaki clip-ins, but they also sent over a goodie bag. It has some extra clips. Don't play with them. Extra clip, bonnet, and a clip-in brush. So I can't wait to use this stuff. I took my clip-ins out the box because I was thirsty. So, but I just put it back in the bag because this is originally how it came in this cute little bag. I absolutely love their packaging. For one, it's my favorite color. And for two, it's just so cute. Like, it comes in this bag, and these are the clip-ins. It looks like it matches my hair texture perfectly. Oh my god, y'all, I haven't had no good clip-ins in so long, so I'm so excited to try these out. We're about to do my hair. That's why I came on here looking crazy, because we're about to get it together with these nice clip-ins. And yeah, so thank you to Curlsqueen so much for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, y'all, we're about to get started on the clip-ins. So here they are. So cute, so perfect. Like I said, I got yaki straight, so I'm so excited to see what this is going to look like. Y'all, if y'all didn't know, I am pretty much a natural girl for the most part, so this is like literally right up my alley. I'm going to do, I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down. I think that'll be best. I'm actually gonna film a real while doing this video also, so if I'm looking like either way, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I think I want to do up and down style. But yeah, like I said, I'm a natural girl for the most part, so I love me some good clip-ins. Like, love. I would prefer to be a natural girl over anything. Yeah, I think I'm good for the top. Okay, y'all, I know I look crazy, but I got my hair pinned up in the front. This is gonna be my front part, and then this back is gonna be everything I put in the back. Just gotta make sure it's separated correctly. Clip-ins are super easy to install. You just have to tease your hair a little bit. If it's like super straight, right now I'm at a point where my silk press is a little old, so I'm able to just put them right in and they'll stay for the most part. So I'm gonna install the first one. Hope I got that good enough for y'all. And then basically I'm just going to do that for the rest of my head. You don't have to grab such little sections, but it really depends on you. For the most part, when your hair is out, it looks super natural, so you don't need much. I'm already excited for these because it looks like it match. And y'all can sleep with clip-ins if y'all didn't know. Like, you can definitely wear the clip-ins to sleep. I'm definitely gonna wear mine because I don't feel like doing my hair anymore. It's already looking very much natural. Don't play with it. So yeah, this is the section that I'm keeping down, so I'm gonna add more clip-ins. Yeah, I hope it look good, because that's the thing with clip-ins. It don't have to be perfect in order for it to look right. Like literally, it does not. Like here we are and it already looks super full. Like this is just gonna be the back for now. If I want to add more, I can. So yeah, super cute. The back foundation already eats. Want to do the top. And I know my part is probably not perfect, which I don't care about because it's gonna be covered up anyway, so it really doesn't matter. So with the clip ends, it comes like each of the clips have like different clips on it, if it makes sense. I'll show y'all in a second. Okay, so different clips on it. So some of them have 3, some of them have 4, some of them have 2. This one has like 5. So yeah, I'm gonna look for, this one has 4. So I'm gonna do a 5 at the bottom so it could be full. So this is like the middle of my head. For the other one, the 3 for the back. And it really doesn't matter how you put it, it's really up to you. What you decide. I want to play in the deep okay, boom, put that one in. That's like a super full. And then you gotta make it look natural, so you gotta keep enough hair out with this right here. But if you have a super fresh silk press, then you might want to, you know, tease it a little bit. I got my back pinned up still because I didn't want to separate it. But it looks like, it might look like there's more hair up here, but let's see. Then dip me underway. These clip-ins are so full, guys. Like I didn't even use all of it and it's so full. So that's like a super plus. Like I'm already loving. Like this is the ponytail, y'all. It's so full. And I didn't even style it yet. Like come on, clip-ins. Give me what it's supposed to. Okay, before I do that though, let me flat iron my roots. And walk right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me under. Okay, so we got that together. So let me just find a ponytail holder and I'll be right back. We're back. And we got a pencil holder. I will run straight, send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Like it's giving natural girl. So this is the full thing, and like I said, I didn't even use all the clip-ins. I still have about 3 pieces left, which I could probably fit somewhere, but I really don't need to. So now we're going to curl it, and I don't like it to be perfect, especially when it's natural. So I don't care for like a super sleek down, you know, ponytail or any of that. So now we're going to curl it. It's already eating, but curl is just gonna eat more. Like this is super cute already. Right up to the side of my mountain. fix my leave out a little bit. I don't know if y'all seen, but I did curl them before a little bit so they can be seen. Okay, so this is the finishing product. I absolutely love it. It is so cute. It is so effortless. Yeah, I'm sorry if my chair is making so much noise. Like, it probably been making noise this whole video and I didn't even realize. But yeah, this is the finishing product. Like I said, I don't like my hair to be super sleek when it comes to clip ends. I just think this is super cute and effortless. It's so me. I just love me a good natural hairstyle. So yeah, make sure you shop with Curlsqueen. They have the best, and I mean the best clip-ins out here. Like, it's so good. It's so thick, as y'all can see, and it just goes with my hair perfectly. Like, it just blends. It looks like mine. Like, just don't ever play with it. But yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. Y'all see me install them, y'all see me style it. Yeah, this is the finishing product. Thank you Curlsqueen so much for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I contemplate about how I feel. Could you make it way